How to reduce noise from your vacuum cleaner. Welcome. In this session, we'll look at practical ways to reduce the noise from your vacuum cleaner. These tips range from simple maintenance steps to advanced soundproofing methods, and even choosing quieter models. Let's get started. Introduction. Vacuum cleaners naturally generate noise, but often, excessive sound comes from minor issues that can be fixed. By performing regular maintenance, checking for clogs, and using soundproofing techniques, you can greatly reduce noise levels. For those who need quieter operation, special enclosures or modern low-noise models are also available. Simple maintenance. The first step is always basic maintenance. Clean or replace filters, as clogged